Packing. 120 pieces toe separators in 4 funny color: blue, orange, green, hot pink. Each separator is reusable 2 to 3 times in home. Family nail spa polished painting. Best gift for girls, DIY nail art party. Multipack toe separators for kids, women, men, teens. Funny party. Sponge toe separators for nail polish. Great for keep toes and fingers apart to painting toenails. Clean for salon customers' personal use. Made of thicken Eva sponge, super soft and flexible. Allow you wear this to walk without pain. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. I've ordered these a couple times and they're one of my favorites. Very sturdy, well packaged, fast shipping. Used for toe separation to avoid corn pain. Wonderful, great quality for excellent price.